welcome back to our channel. If you're serious about rice perfection, meet the Yum Asia Sakura Rice Cooker, a smart fusion of Japanese technology and modern design. With advanced fuzzy logic and multiple cooking settings, the Sakura takes the guesswork out of rice cooking, giving you flawless results every single time, whether it's jasmine, sushi, brown, or porridge. Advanced fuzzy logic technology. This rice cooker uses advanced algorithms to adjust cooking time, heat, and temperature automatically, ensuring your rice comes out with the perfect texture, light, fluffy, and never overcooked. Computer-controlled 7-phase rice cooking technology with tailored useful multifunctional options including steam, porridge, casserole, soup, cake baking, crust, slow cook and yogurt. Including 24-hour timer and keep warm function. Cooking functions. With 7 cooking functions, you can prepare white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, porridge, long grain rice, quick cook, and even steam vegetables or dumplings. It's not just a rice cooker, it's a multi-purpose kitchen tool. The 1.8-liter capacity. That's enough to cook up to 10 cups of cooked rice, perfect for couples, families, or even dinner parties. And it handles smaller portions just as well, without wasting energy. Advanced ceramic inner bowl. This rice cooker ceramic inner bowl. Unlike standard non-stick pans, this one is durable, scratch-resistant, and distributes heat evenly. That means better cooking results and longer-lasting performance. Easy-to-use controls. LCD display. The bright LCD panel and simple controls make it easy to select your cooking mode, set timers, and monitor progress at a glance. Even beginners can achieve professional results. 24-hour preset timer and automatic keep warm function. You can set your rice to be ready exactly when you want it. Modern design. With its glossy, stylish design, white finish, and compact build, the Sakura looks great on any countertop. It's designed to be practical and elegant at the same time. Accessories included. The Sakura comes with a steaming basket, a rice spatula, and a measuring cup. These thoughtful accessories make the whole cooking experience even easier. From fragrant jasmine rice to hearty brown rice or even a bowl of congee, the Yum Asia Sakura delivers consistent results every time. It's a dependable partner that turns everyday meals into restaurant-quality dishes with minimal effort. From its stylish design to its precise performance, the Yum Asia Sakura rice cooker turns every meal into a taste of perfection. It's more than a rice cooker, it's a kitchen companion that brings authentic Asian cooking right to your table. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.